Positive Changes organization provides therapy dog visits to those in need of comfort or companionship. Here is Diane Haig to discuss what makes a therapy dog unique.
Therapy dogs are generally pets. Service dogs have much more specialized training. A leader dog for the blind would be a service dog, and they're trained to help that person specifically with the tasks that need to be done and to help them in their day-to-day activities. The therapy dogs are there to bring smiles, bring comfort, joy, and a little bit of peace and quiet sometimes.
Positive Changes, making magic happen one paw at a time. For more information, please visit positivechanges.org or call 248-841-1067.